how to get Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can get Bitcoin on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you'd like to get Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, first of all, Bitcoin option will only be available as long as you have verified your Cash App account. Now, if you haven't verified also, you will definitely find the option, but you will not be able to make Bitcoin transactions such as buying or selling. So when you come to the Bitcoin tab over here, you will be able to see this option. Now, if you want to get Bitcoin, you just have to buy Bitcoin, right? Or you can, if someone sends you a Bitcoin, that's an exceptional case. So you can just enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to buy, tap the next option. It will ask you to confirm with your phone number. So make sure you go ahead and then enter your phone number and transfer the Bitcoin from Cash App, and you'll be able to get or buy Bitcoin in this regard. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get Bitcoin on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.